Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And wow, is shortwave booming. This is the DX Maps website, and they have this map of activity around the world. And this is mostly amateur radio activity. And you can see right up here is the solar information. The solar flux index is 183. Now we like anything above 100, and it's almost 200. And we want the A and K index to be low, which they are. The A is a 6, it's okay. K is 1, which is very quiet. So look at this activity, and then you can zoom in. Look at this. Whoa! There is a bunch of activity on the handbands, which means there's activity on the broadcast bands on shortwave. Now this is all the bands. Actually, I take that back. It's not. It's just the 10-meter band. I thought it was. Oh, here we go. All bands. Oh, let me back out first. Whoops. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, now we'll pick all bands, all ham bands. That's interesting. It's not as cluttered. That's interesting. I wonder why it's not as cluttered. I guess it is, and it just seems different because it's different colors. But you can see a lot of activity between North America and Europe. We can zoom in now. Okay, now you can see it. Oh my gosh, look at the activity. And also down to South America. And from Europe to other countries besides the United States. And let's see what's in Asia. And the thing is, right now it's 3 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. Not the most active time of the day. So this is good news. The shortwave bands are popping full of transmissions and everything. So you need to get your shortwave radio out and turn it on. For me, best reception is early morning, like between 4 and 7 a.m., and early evening, like between sundown, about 6:30, 7, and 10, 11 o'clock at night. And here we are in the middle of the day, and look at all this activity. I'm going to check this later today and see what it looks like. Like I say, this is a great website. Gives you a nice representation of the, again, this is amateur radio, and it's at dxmaps.com. And there's a whole bunch of things you can try. You can select just certain locations in the world. I've selected the world map. You can have a list instead of a map. You can have a graph. I don't know what a graph looks like. I don't use that very much. Oh, again, I got to select a single band. So let's say 40 meters. So there's a graphical representation of the contacts. That's what this is. People, when they contact another station, they post it, and then this shows up in these maps and lists. There's the map again. Let me do the list real quick. There's the list to all this activity. And this is, I think, for like the last hour or something. Yeah, it's like the last hour. No, it's more than that. I take that back. It's more than that. And then you can select different options, different modes of communication. This is very useful. And you can see a couple of people, or a number of people, are quite active. this DKS1R. This is all the contacts he's made. This is in UTC, of course. This is at 1020 UTC. But that solar flux index 183, that's fantastic. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.